Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use Bart AI for the sake of making money online. Very interesting topic. I believe a lot of you guys wonder new ways to make money in 2024. So I'm gonna write the prompt for you and you're going to learn from it, okay? So please give me suggestions how to make $100 per day online in 2024. So you want to make sure everything is up to date. We don't want any old strategies, okay? Let's see. Start small, scale up gradually, focus on developing valuable skills, blah blah. Here are some legitimate online opportunities: freelancing, content creation, e-commerce, online tutoring or teaching, remote work. How about data from Google Trends? Can you provide me with the most recent info on the topic? We're going to get this done, guys. We're not leaving and we're not giving up. $100 a day. It is overall interest. There is a consistent moderate interest in making money online globally, with slight peaks around the new years during economic downturns. Specific term, it's always freelance, side hustle, online businesses. Okay, trending subtopics: remote work, interest in remote work, content creation, platforms, YouTube. But that's still not what we're looking for. Give me e-commerce step-by-step tutorial for 2024. We're gonna get this done. I promise you guys. We're gonna end up with strategy. Okay, we have choosing a niche and research. That's true for everyone. Develop your business plan. That's true. Choose your e-commerce platform. Everyone is doing Shopify. I do have a link in the comments for Shopify. Design and build your online store. You can do that inside Shopify. Source the product. Set up your payment gateway. Let's get some products. Give us a recommendation for products to sell based on search volume, because you know the Bart has access to Google search and Google Trends, so you know exactly what people are searching for. So okay, instead of just focusing on search volume, I recommend using combination of different research methods to identify profitable products. Trend analysis using Google Trends, social media listening, look at the conversation and trends related to potential products. Competitor analysis, niche communications, participate in online communications. It gives us link for everything. So guys, usually all these linguistic bots are not giving us, you know, step by step, or not giving us the exact products, but at least we're having the links and we can simply, you know, go on this blog post, go on Google Trends, go on these websites and find everything that we need. At least we spent maybe 5 minutes here and we got so much more information, while for 5 minutes you cannot Google and read, right? So it's still much more valuable spend of our time. For more videos like this, guys, subscribe and like this video.